Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to review the blushers from Sivana's blusher line, which is called Peach Bean Blusher. Now to start with, there are around 6 shades available in this particular range, and these are this is a line of baked blushers. The color ranges are each of the stack contains 3 blushers. One is a pink, one is a peachy blusher, and one is a golden orangey sort of a blusher. So these are the 3 colors in every pack. The only difference between the 6 different shades is that some are lighter, some are darker and more intense. Some are some have less colors and more highlighting effect, and some have more blusher effect and things like that. But these are baked blushers, hence this is a combination of a highlighter and a blusher. You wouldn't need to apply a highlighter separately with these. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start with the packaging first. This is the packaging that it comes in. This is a light pink packaging with some sort of silver fonts. All the ingredients and everything is written in Korean. I assume it's Korean, so you can't really make out what exactly is written there. But they have written a little introduction about the product on the side. This is the cardboard packaging that it comes in. You can see the 3 different colors from the holes that are there. When you open it up, this is the plastic casing that it comes in. It's again a light pink color. Now this is not the best packaging. I have seen a lot more better stuff from Sivana, and although it is not flimsy or cheap or anything bad, but it's not really appealing or attractive, I would say. It somehow reminds me of the pencil boxes that I used to carry to school as a child. But anyways, it's practical and it's almost the size of your palm, so it fits in really easily and it's really handy and it's really easy to travel with. Like I said, you have a peachy shade, then you have a goldeny, orangey blusher, and then there is a pink. When you open it up, you have the 3 blushers here, and then there is another compartment at the bottom. Then at the compartment below, you have the mirror here, and then you have the brush housed in here. The brush is not the best quality, I would say, but it still gets the work done. I am wearing the light pink shade from this trio using this brush, and I would say it's pretty practical to use. I mean, if you're traveling outside and if you're not someone who would carry tons of things, a separate cosmetic item, a separate blusher, a separate brush, something like that, then this is like really good and really practical. I am wearing the lightest pink shade from the 03 on my cheeks. I'm wearing it a little heavily than what I would generally wear, so you can see how it looks on me. I hope you guys can see the highlighting effect in the color on my cheeks. They could have done a lot better in terms of packaging, so anyways, it's still practical and not that bad. One of the best things about these blushes is that the 6 different shades that they have come up with are a combination of 3 amazing shades which kind of suit every skin tone. Like there's a peach, there's a pink, and there's a golden orange blush, so you've got yourself covered really. These are baked blushers, hence they have a highlighter and a blush 2 in 1. I would say these contain a lot of glitter in them. I mean, they're not really chunky or in your face, but they're definitely a little more than what I would have wanted personally. After a while, when the color fades out, the glitter kind of stays there on your cheeks and you can make out that the glitter is on your face. So that is something which I don't really like a lot about it. But otherwise, I would say the formula is really different from the other baked blushers that I've used so far. Generally, baked blushers are kind of really hard and they are not really that much pigmented, but these are a completely different story. When you touch them, you get a really nice, light, smooth, feathery, sort of a powdery feel. And oh my god, these are insanely pigmented. I mean, of course, since these are like baked blushes, I was like, okay, they're not going to be heavily pigmented. And I swiped my finger and there was so much of color and it stained my finger really. You see that much. See, I just swipe my finger once and you would see how much color it has. So that's what I'm saying. They are very highly pigmented, so you have to be really careful with the kind of brush you're using. Use very soft brushes with these, and use very light hand to dip your brush into these blushes, and then tap off the excess, and then very lightly apply the blush on your cheek. Talking about the staying power, these stay on an average of around 3 hours on your cheek with a base underneath and without a base. Since the texture is so smooth, they blend in very easily. It doesn't go patchy. Like when they fade out after like 3 hours, the color almost goes away, but leaves behind a little bit of tint on your cheeks. And there's definitely some amount of glitter that you can see with your naked eye. Also, since these have a lot of glitter in them, these are more suitable for night time and not during the day. I also like the fact that these come in 3 different shades. So if you are a beginner in makeup and you're building up your makeup stash, this is definitely more of an investment. You would have 3 different shades of blushes in one palette, and you would also have the highlighter built in with these, so you don't need to buy a separate highlighter, and these are pretty good to work with. Out of the 6 blushers available, I would say 03 is my favorite. One thing that I hated about this blusher was its smell. These smell very funny. It's a mixture of, I would say, a very strong, artificially sweet fragrance, plus there is some sort of very heavy chemically plastic smell. Both combined together, it's the worst smell ever, and it's the kind of smell that would give you headaches. I mean, you open it up, you sniff it, and it smells bad. I mean, of course, when you have put it on your cheeks and after a while you can't really smell anything, but when you are putting it on your cheeks, you can definitely smell that. I don't know why the smell is so weird. I've used other products from Sivana, never had any such issue with any other products, but the smell of this one is really funky. Overall, I would say this is an average product from Sivana. If you're looking out to buy a few budget blushers for parties, for night times, this is something you can go ahead and invest your money in. You would get 3 different shades, highlighting blushers, and a brush, and a mirror all in one. So it's a pretty decent deal. These are easily available. In fact, all the Sivana products are easily available on Flipkart with a seller called Charis or Charis. I don't know how you pronounce it, but it's Charis. And I will leave a link to the seller from where you can buy these products. I will be giving away 3 of these blushes to any 3 of my subscribers. Just follow the rules that are listed below in the description box and make sure that you follow each one of them correctly, and I'll be announcing a winner soon. So that's about it, guys. I hope you guys liked this video and found it helpful. If yes, then please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back soon with more videos. Until then, you guys take care. Bye.